How to use filters in Yodah. Filters allow you to easily organize your data by showing only what meets the filter criteria. To start creating your own filter, add a new filter row. Here you can select the criteria for your filter. Once you've set the criteria, the table rows will be filtered and only those that meet the criteria will be displayed. We can then continue to add more criteria to make our filter more specific. Here the sales order must be set to priority medium and high in order for it to be shown in the table. However, I want it to be priority medium or high, so I can change the and to an or like this. And now, the only sales orders that show are medium-high priority orders that are assigned to sales. Once we've finished our filter, we can save it to be reused whenever we wish. I'll name my filter High-Medium Priority Sales. The visibility of your filter can be set to either public or private. Public filters will be available to other Yodah users. Private filters will only be available to you. And that's the basics of creating your own filter. Once a filter has been saved, it can be edited both temporarily and permanently if you wish. New rows can be added, removed and changed however you like. And whenever you want to apply a saved filter, you can access it from the Saved Filters folder. This covers all you need to know to get started with making your own filters using Yodah.